welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different video for you guys. As you probably already know, there is a virus around the world that is affecting Europe pretty badly at the moment, and I happen to be in quarantine. I cannot leave my house unless I have to go to buy food or the pharmacy or basic needs. I thought it would be interesting to share how a few days of my life have become recently. I happen to be home alone because my housemates went back to their parents. So I thought it would be interesting to show you my routines, my new ways of doing things, and try to keep myself busy. The reason why I look so put together right now under quarantine is because I was filming some videos and trying to distract myself from the situation. You already know it's pretty severe, and I think the best we can do is try to distract ourselves and, as I said, keep routines that will allow us to make life as normal as possible. So without further ado, let's get started with my new routine. Doing? I hope you're all doing well, that you are safe, that you are surviving as I am this quarantine and pushing through with the best and biggest smiles of all, because it is gonna be over sooner or later. I've been trying to keep myself distracted and try to stick to a routine. I try to work out every day, as you just saw a clip of me doing yoga, and trying to be productive with anything that is basically school related. I didn't get much stuff from the teachers, but I'm trying to work on what I have and do some summaries that they are basically towards the final test that I have probably in June. So I'm trying to stay as occupied as possible, also talking to my friends and family pretty often on video calls, and trying to not think about the situation too much, because it is hard on everyone and it can get into our heads pretty easily. And yeah, I'm just having some warm tea because it's actually kind of chilly in my house, and I'm just wearing super comfy clothes, not the PJs. I'm just trying to stay away from the PJs. So I'm gonna continue working on this amazing presentation. As I said in one of my videos about studying tips, I suggested having plenty of colors, well, it's not a color, but plenty of colors for being able to study better, and I also have a lot of really colorful highlighters that make my life easier in terms of making notes, summaries, and studying for exams. Okay, so I'm done with my summary for psychiatry, and I'm gonna start cooking dinner. I'm gonna be making quiche, and I'm gonna show you everything that you're gonna need and how to cook it and prepare it and put everything in the oven. And now I'm gonna put the quiche for around 45 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Depending on your oven, it will be 45 or a bit less or a bit more. So basically until you put a toothpick or something that it's there and it comes clear. So let's get this in the oven. So this is the final result. Here is the aftermath of filming a video. I was filming a video about loungewear and what things you could wear and still look cute for this quarantine. So hopefully this video will be up soon so you can check it out. And now I have to clean all this mess, and I'll start editing this video plus the one that I'm filming right now. So I'm gonna get started because I have also a video call in an hour or so. So yeah, I have to get all of this back to its place. Bringing it all. these videos over my computer. I will start editing them and hopefully I'll finish editing today, so they are ready to go live whenever I decide to post them, because I'm trying to post a little bit more these weeks since I have more free time, and I think it's nice to also keep myself busy by making different videos. So that's the plan for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!